Alright, so I got these blocks, or I guess rounds, I don't know. And we're going to be boring them out to fit this little bearing I bought. This is the first one already done. To fit this little bearing, just presses in there. Like that. So we gotta make the second one. I'm just gonna face each side and then pop a hole in it and bore it out for this inside part. This inside is 1 inch and this is 1.5 inches, I think. So we'll do that real quick and then move on to what's next. Alright, so this is where we're at. I got these arms welded on to the bearing holder things, whatever you want to call them. I got the little ears welded on the frame down there. Everything works like it should. It lines up alright, good enough. I'm going to be using, that's the one that's supposed to line up, because this is a 1-inch step here. Those are 1.5 inches. But this is the one I'm going to be using, and it lines up good. It turns good. These are just little temporary pins in here. I'm going to have one that goes all the way across and some spacers to make it line up good. And then there's going to be a little bracket that comes across here that connects them. And that's where the motor is going to mount to, right about there. That makes the pulleys line up. And that bracket that connects them should keep everything nice and square and running where it should be. I don't know. I'm ready to get this thing going and make some chips. I don't know about y'all. It's getting close, so it's probably two more videos. And then we should be cutting. Well, anyways, just stay tuned till then. Thanks for watching. See you later.